Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use Strikethrough in Adobe Acrobat. So firstly, you have to go to Adobe Acrobat, then open a file or PDF you want to strike through, then choose a line or highlight the text you want to strike. Then you have to right click on that and then you'll find Strikethrough text. This one. Click on this and you can see the Strikethrough has been applied. Now if you want to change the Strikethrough color, right click and go to properties. You have to right click on that box or the Strikethrough uh, text, then go to properties, then you'll find here colors. Click on colors and you can change your Strikethrough text colors. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.